Welcome to MarineMax at Silver Spring Marine in Wakefield, Rhode Island. My name is Keith Abel and I'd like to take you through the brand new 160 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. This is an incredible boat for the family, for cruising, water sports, and fishing. The boat can do it all. It does seat 6 people. It's powered with a 90 4-stroke Mercury engine. This boat does have multiple seating options. It does come standard with the bench seat, the cooler. You can get a bow cushion, a cooler cushion, and different types of seats. But what an outstanding boat for the upcoming boating season. Let me help you get out on the water. My name is Keith Abel, and for more information on this beautiful 160 Super Sport Boston Whaler 2019, please call me at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.